Good morning. Beautiful June morning, end of June. This is great. Thank you for watching. I'm Kurt with Rustline Sotheby's here in Scottsdale, Arizona, and we are at 3500 East Lincoln Drive, Unit 6, well, House 6, Phoenix, Arizona 85018. It's basically at 32nd Street and Lincoln, just near Paradise Valley. So anyways, I wanted to highlight this house real quick during my open house. It's nestled up here in the Lincoln foothills. So we have, at this peak, we have mountain views, obviously, awesome sunsets, city views too. And I'll get to all that in a second. The house is really cool, built in 1970. It's in pristine condition. A few updates here and there to whatever your taste is, and we're good to go. So we've got a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 3745 on the square footage, 3,745 square foot, built in 70, like I said. And the lot size is 14,963 square feet with a 2-car garage. It's a ranch style, 1-level living. And I'm gonna take you through it here and try not to talk over the whole video because I just want you to enjoy and talk amongst yourselves if you're watching with a friend or whatever. But this is the walkway up here to the house. You can get in this way if you want, but I'm gonna take you through the front. Loving these doors. These old Spanish style doors are so cool. Again, I'll have to break this video up into probably 2 or 3 parts just because it's hot and the download times and so forth. I'll put my phone in the refrigerator in a couple minutes to cool it down before I can get the rest of the tour. Anyways, here we are in the lobby, or the front entryway, I should say, of the house. And it leads into the living room and the family room. So we've got a couple of steps down. They're short though, they're 3 or 4 inches tops. A lot of natural light, classic Phoenix. Not quite like Adobe style house, but definitely Mediterranean Spanish influence. I'll get to the dining room in just a second. So I just want to take you from the back of the house. So this is the 2-car garage area. It's a 2-car garage. We all know what that looks like. This is the laundry room. Everything is pristine, great condition. The back bedroom here, this one is off to the this side of the house for privacy. All the walls are perfect, paint perfect, everything's perfect. Goes out to this little gravelly side yard area. And I'll show you when I'm outside. It's kind of hard to see from this angle, but you can see the city of Phoenix right there. But it's way closer than that would appear. Anyhow, okay. So this is the ensuite bathroom for this particular guest suite. Basic standover tub shower. Let's just go take a look. See, yep, pretty standard. Okay, now through the kitchen. And I'll break the video right here as soon as I get into the dining room, and then I'll upload part 2, or I'll take part 2. I haven't even gotten to it yet, and I think this will be 4 parts. 3 for sure. So here's into the dining room. And this leads out to like a little bistro area here in the front. Really cool, a lot of privacy. and leading into the family room. And this is where I'll break. Join me in a second here. Let me get this all situated for part 2, and we'll go like that. Hang on a second.